on the online? Am I audible to you? Online students, come in, ma. So let me start the discussion, students. I hope you are understanding about last class. We have started with some part of the discussion. 6 p.m. Come in. Data types under sequence data type, sequence category data type. The purpose of sequence category data type is to store sequence of values. So in Python programming, we have 4 data types in sequence category: str, bytes, byte array, range. Okay. Now I'll go to another topic, another part of it, which is already completed. Just I'm refreshing it. As a part of the str, last class we already had a discussion. Purpose of str, definition of str, types of str, notations used for str. Today we are discussing these points. How many types of strs are there? 2. One is single line string data, multi-line string data. Good. How many notations are there? 4. Number 1, double quotes, single quotes, triple double quotes, triple single quotes. Triple? Good. Double quotes and single quotes is for what purpose? To store single line string data. Double quotes, triple double quotes, triple single quotes for what? Good. Even though we used double quotes, single quotes, and then next is called what you know? Triple single quote, internally treated as what? Single quotes only. Internally treated as what? Single quotes only. Why this single quote mechanism is taken? To take less memory space. To take what? Less memory space. We know this, right? Good. Now I'm going to enter into the definition of string. Come in, ma. Definition of string. Last class we already had a discussion. The definition of str, very frequently asked question. Str is a collection of what? Characters, alphanumeric data, numeric data, or any type of data enclosed within double quotes, single quotes, triple double quotes, triple single quotes. Is called which data? Str data. Now, types of str, syntaxes, examples, and everything is done. Today we are entering into memory management and operations we are going to discuss. Dear students, today you carefully follow me because a very important discussion is going to start. Memory management and operations on string data. Let me go for operations on string data as a separate discussion. I am going to do it. Very, very important. Once we understand this operations on today, it will be carry forward further onto the classes. So the operations we do on string data is indexing and slicing. Let me talk about memory management before. Before that, memory management, I'm going to talk about it. So let me take one small paint screen. I will take it. I'll take paint up. There I will talk about. Consider the following. I'm going to explain here str memory management. str memory management. So str memory management I'm going to explain. So I'm going to explain here str memory management. str memory management I'm going to explain. So there we are going to discuss about like this. Consider the following. Consider the following. What is this now? I'm going to write it. Consider the following statement. Consider the following statement. So there I am going to write it. I'm writing here S1 is equal to Python. I am going to take. All of you also open the notes. Notebooks you open. You need to write one diagram in your notebook from today onwards. So S1 is equal to what? Python here. There I'm going to take it. When this statement is executed, look at, when I say write down means you need to write the time. Look at first. When the above statement is executed, when the above statement is executed, when the above statement is executed, the following memory will be allocated. Executed. The following memory space will be allocated. The following memory allocated for str data. str data. Look at this student. How the memory will be allocated. This is the diagrammatic representation, guys. You also carefully understand, mom. Look at, don't write. Look at that. First, look at all of you, mom. I'll be taking the data which is available, because once you understand the diagram, we are discussing lot of questions now, which are very frequently coming across in the programming as well as in MCQs. So PYT, and next I'm going to talk about H, O, and then N. Python here. So I'm going to take up. So here I'm going to take up, as very spaciously I'm writing these points. So try to follow me, guys. Take care and try to observe it. Try to observe it now. So this is my given data, students. This is my given data, what we have. Now I'm taking each partition for one letter. When the Python is stored in the memory, how it is allocated, I'm just writing something like this. So here I'm going to take up, S is pointing to that. The value S1 is pointing. The value S1 is pointing. And once it is allocated, internally, there is a topic, there is a meaning called what? Indexing. Spell out the word once. In our textbook, if you take it, in the textbook, if you take it, what the word is available? Indexing. What is the use of index, ma? All the chapters will be, page numbers will be there or not? So that page number location is going to be fast accessing purpose, right or not? Similarly, now here if I go for it, indexing operation is available. Internally, this is containing 0. This is containing 0. Next is containing 1. Next is containing 2. Like this, I'll go on writing it. Next is containing 3. Next is containing 4. And next is called what? 5. So these are called 0, 1, 2, 3 are called what, you know, indexes we can call. Spell out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called what? Indexes. So these are started from left to right. Left to right indexing is given. So index starts from where? 0. Index starts from where? 0. It is known as what, you know, students? Forward indexing we can call. Spell out. Forward indexing. Assigned from which side? Left to right. Left to right. Come in. Left to right. This is called what? Also, some people will also call it as positive indexing we can call. Spell out. Positive index. Slowly I will explain. Carefully follow. You see in any internet, you will not find this time. If you see in any internet after the class is over, you search for 6 hours, 7 hours, you will not get the formulas which I am going to tell in the class. From high-end resources, these formulas are obtaining and prepared. So many formulas you try to understand. After the class, you look at every topic what I'm explaining, you look it into the internet also. Now I'm going to take up, students. After that, this is called what? Indexing concept we can call. Now internally, Python programming will provide additionally another indexing concept is also available. Another indexing mechanism is also available. What is the another indexing mechanism? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is called what? This is called what? Backward indexing. Backward indexing. This is called what? Backward indexing. And from where? Right to left. Right to left. So I'm going to write it, students. -6, -5, -5, and next -4, Next is called -3. Like that, it is going to be assigned for every letter. So it is -3. And next is called what? -2, -2. And next is what? -1. What these are all called? What these are all called? Backward indexing. Backward indexing, we call it as backward indexing. So here we call it as a backward indexing now. Coming to the point of it, after this, we are going to say backward indexing. I'll just mention this name here. Backward indexing. Backward indexing from which side? Right to left. Right to left. Backward indexing means don't think the data will come in backward direction. Also called as what? Negative indexing we can call. Negative indexing we can call. Negative indexing. We can call it as negative indexing. Come in. Don't come late, students. If you come late, today is the last for all these lazy comers and late comers. Tomorrow onwards, I never allow it. I say some ceiling time of mine. That's all. If you come in your own timing, I'm not going to allow. After that, I'll fix what is the time. What time you want to come? What time is the last? I will take based on the student's opinion. That's all. Because coming late, like other classes, it is not here. The rule is. How many indexes are permitted in Python? 2. One is forward indexing. One more is backward indexing. Forward indexing assigns from where? 0 to not only 5. Wait 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. Go to the Python. Go to the Python. I'll say Python 3.10 or 3.11 or whatever you take it. You take it. S is equal to what here? Python. Print of what? Yes, comma. Type of what? Yes. Now, so far we are using with you print function we are using. Print function I am using. Next is called what? Type function we used it. And the next is called what? ID function we use it. Today we are using next another function called what? LEN function. LEN function. What is the function name here? LEN function. So coming to the point back, I'm going to give you the concept called what? LEN of. It will give you length of the string. Length of the string it will be given. LEN of what? Yes. What is the answer now? 6. LEN of 6 will give you what? LEN is a function which is going to give you the number of characters in the string data. Number of characters in the string data. How many characters are there in S? S is equal to Python space PROC. LEN of S. It is going to print already 6 letters are there. Space is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is going to come. Did you understand? Space is also counted as what? One type of data. Ila late వచ్చి good morning, good evening పెడితే allow చేయరు ఇప్పటి నుంచి. ఇంటర్నల్ మార్క్స్ ఏమి ఉండవు ఇక్కడ. ఆన్ టైం వచ్చి సబ్జెక్ట్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. హాస్టల్లో ఉంటావు కదా, ఎన్ని గంటలకు బయలుదేరావు? 6:10కి. ఆన్ టైం వచ్చేసారు ఎప్పటి నుంచి. నో గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, నో గుడ్ మార్నింగ్స్, ఓన్లీ సబ్జెక్టివ్ లర్న్ ఇట్. రైట్. సో because I don't want to allow these latecomers. S is equal to what? Python PROC. Now, did you understand the LEN function? Come on. How many letters are there in my Python? 6. What indexing I am seeing? Forward indexing. Starts from where? 0 to LEN of Python -1. LEN of Python is called what? 6. 6 minus 1 is called what? 5. Are you following? Negative indexing starts from where? 0 to LEN of Python minus of LEN of Python. What is the LEN of Python actually? 6. Minus of LEN of Python is what? -6. Not understanding. అర్థమవ్వదు మనకు, ఎందుకంటే మన బ్రెయిన్ వేర్ అసలు. LEN of what? Python. LEN of Python how much? 6. I am saying 0 to LEN of Python. LEN of Python -1 I am saying. 0 to 6 minus 1. 0 to 5. Meaning is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you okay? This is called what direction? Positive. పాజిటివ్. నెగటివ్ చెప్తున్నా ఇప్పుడు. -1 to -1 to మీకు ఇలా రాసి అర్థమవుద్దో లేదు మళ్ళా. -1 to minus of ln of Python. Minus of ln of Python. -1 to minus ln of Python is what? 6. What is this now? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. అర్థమవుతుందా? రైట్. లో బేసిక్స్ ఎప్పుడు ఉండకూడదు, చదువుకోవాలి బాగా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత. సో దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అవర్ డేటా. ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్? -1 to what? -6. Lot of people will say -1, -2 like that. They'll say it's a blunder. It's a blunder, right? So recently my 4 p.m. batch was completed just last Sunday. These 2 days NASSCAM, it is a, I hope you know, general body for all MNC companies. All MNC companies will follow according to the guidelines of what? NASSCAM standards, which is maintained by, this is maintaining all MNCs, like RBI maintaining banks or not. Like all MNCs will follow the guidelines of NASSCAM. So these people are conducting online test from last 4 years for Python people. That certification is called what? Python developers. NASSCAM Python developer certification. And from last 4 years, my students are completing, once completing the batch, they start writing the exam. I already told you that 50% you will get it, 50 to 60% you'll get it, you'll get a branch. I already told you, right? Branch certification. 60 to 70 if we get it, it is called what? Silver. More than 70 if we get it, it is a gold. And now these days the only Saturday is over. This Sunday, Monday only, last 2 days, only 2 days. Then 25% of the people already certified with a gold certification. Not even one student getting the branch. Everybody gold. 80% of the people getting gold. Some people are there now, they are getting what? The rest of the people are getting what? The 75% of the people. 25% of the people got the certification. The rest of them out of this 25, and rest of them are getting what? Silver. No branch. Right? So even one student sent a small certificate for me, and some more excitement. Of course, I don't want to boast about my class. Just I am showing to you. Just I am showing to this student. One student I will show you who is just sitting before me. So you can see that. Okay, only see the certificate, gold, NASSCAM Python certified developer. There are. So you can, girls, I am not sending it. You can see this gold certification. Okay, they will be giving, and I told already fees reimbursement also. If you have 6,000, 4,000 paid, they will give 2,000 reimbursement will be there. Plus 600 you are paying the fees for online test, for assessment. That is also reimbursed. In your account directly it will come. And provided that fees receipt of Naresh IT, we are tie up with Python development of what? NASSCAM. In South India, this is only the institute which is tie up with the NASSCAM now. Our course content is certified and they gave the permission for us. Right? If you learn, that is 50% of the course fees will be reimbursed by Government of India. You will get the Government of India emblem also, you will get it. Are you getting? Right. So by coming late, after 20 minutes, NASSCAM certified, no, Amirpet certified also, you will not be getting it. Keep in mind. So if you have this certification, and if you go to the interview with a NASSCAM Python developers certificate, if you have, they'll be giving some special importance for you. So if you just to show in from your bag, I'm a NASSCAM Python developer, they will come and say, okay, sit in the seat. So I'm a BTech certified, go and stand in the queue, they will say. Because already 1 kilometer queue is there. You have to stand in the line. Understand, students? That's why keep our body under our control. Try to do well. That is my only request. If you come late again and again, one day you'll close my doors. I am very strict. I'll explain subject like anything for you. Once you present in my class, before I arrive into the class, on dot I will come to my class. You are seeing now? On dot I will come to the class. Even last day also. Last day of your course completion also, on time I'll start. Same type of commitment. Same deep of subject explanation. That's why, because you are seeing only first time to this class, and that is unique class. Right? Not showing for you more. Offline students I shown. If you want to see, one day I will download that certificate. I will show to everybody. Okay, now don't worry. Okay, Dinesh, Dia Mehta. So don't worry, students. Now coming to the point back here. Shall we start? So what is our target? To become a NASCAM Python developer, number one. That is for what? Directly companies will give you a lot of importance. And they won't give you any theoretical questions. List and describe features of Python for 15 marks. They won't give any essay related thing to write like your academics. 24 answer sheet booklet, writing your own answers, submitting on the face of the faculty. Only one sheet is there, online exam. Code is given, little code is given. You are going to see what questions are going to come. 3 to 4 lines of code they will give, and they will give. Luckily, they are helping you a lot. ABCD questions are giving. Actually, if I am conducting the test, I'll give only fill in the blank. We want to take only the students who are really reading. We don't want to take all pollution students. Waste. So ABCD exam really they are helping you. And ABCD exam is nothing but what? If your original capability is 40%, you'll get 99%, you'll get it. It's really so helpful to you. Okay. That's why listen class carefully. Online students, are you getting me? Right. So to become a certification like this, after course completion, if you write it, every question which is coming in the NASCAM is from my notes. Remember this word. Daily I will tell, weekly once in the class. Last day also I'll give my number. I'll give the NASCAM, our team members number also I'll give you. They will help you the registration process, how to do it. And questions will be everything will be from my notes. Beginning day I said, today also I'm saying, last day class also I will tell you the same thing. Okay, now? So when I'm giving this much guarantee means you have to utilize it. I said, come on time to the class, I'm requesting. If you don't do it, what can I do? You tell me. Now come to the point. Now I'm going to continue. After understanding this memory management, I would like to ask you, write this statement as this. Write down. All of you open the notes. Online students also, open your notebook. And then write down this. Quickly write down. Write the diagram little clarity. Write the diagram little clarity. After that, so many questions will be coming. If you write little bit faster, we'll take all the rules. How many indexing mechanisms are there? 2. One is forward indexing, backward indexing. Forward indexing starts from which one? 0 to len of s minus 1. Negative indexing starts from where? -1 to minus of len of s. What is that s? String object data. Okay, right. Let me go for backward indexing starts from which side? Right to left. Negative forward indexing starts from where? Left to right. Okay. Now I will move to the further. After making it clear, now I will go to the operations on str data. From today onwards, I'll start asking the questions in the class. I'll start asking the questions in the class. And one announcement is, tomorrow is a holiday. Institute announced a holiday on Telugu New Year, Ugadi. You know that? Now we know only December 31st, correct? We know only that, correct? Yes. So you know that also. Right, Ma. Gauss. Thank you. Gauss, thank you. Wish you the same. Shall I continue? Let me start the discussion. Finished now? Right. Last and final. Online students, be ready, Ma. How many types of indexing mechanisms? 2. One is forward indexing, backward indexing. Forward indexing starts from where? 0 to length of strobj -1. It is from where? Left to right or right to left? Left to right. Backward indexing starts from where? Right to left. Starting with what? -1, -2. -1. That too -1, -2 like this. See, don't start -1, -2 like that. I'm showing the proof of it. Now, మాట్లాడితే బయట పంపిస్తాను చెప్పాను కదా ఆల్రెడీ ఒకసారి మాట్లాడితే బయట పంపిస్తాను దాంట్లో డౌట్ ఏం లేదు రైట్ operations on string data on str data listen carefully on str data doubt undamma meeku your doubt you have then why are you talking listen on str data we can perform two types of operations on str data we can perform two types of operations. What is that? They are, number one is called indexing. Number two is called what? Slicing. Indexing and slicing. First one I am going to talk about it. Indexing I am going to talk about it. Indexing. So first operation is called indexing. Next I am going to talk about slicing. So what exactly indexing and slicing? I am going to explain. Carefully listen now. So I will start with indexing and slicing I am going to take up. So here I am going to take up. Second one is called what? Slicing. So any type of written test if we go, these are only the questions which are coming in front of you. Throughout our entire course, indexing and slicing is a minimum requirement. Everybody must have it. And indexing is very simple. When slicing is going on at one point of time, we cannot understand also. That difficulty. That's why I'll explain slowly and try to get it. What do you mean by indexing? I'm going to say indexing is an operation which is used to get one value at a time by passing its valid index. Syntax. I'm writing the syntax here. See that syntax I am writing. What is the see? strobj square bracket. I am writing what you know index. Here strobj is an object of what? Is an object of which class? Class str. Class what? Str. Next I am going to write it. Index represents either positive index, either a positive index or negative index. Do you know already positive index operation purpose? Yes. What is this operation purpose? The process of obtaining single value from given main strobj, main str object is called what? Indexing. Now that is the definition of it. This is the syntax of it. That is the syntax of it. If we enter valid index value, then we get corresponding indexed value. I hope you are understanding. Indexed value. What is the meaning of indexed value? What is the zero indexed value? P. What is the fourth indexed value? O. What is the fifth indexed value? What is the -5 indexed value? Y. What is the -6 indexed value? P. Like that. Now, indexed value, corresponding indexed value. Okay. Now I am entering. If we enter which index? Invalid index. This is also very important. Once a positive result is coming, wrong result also if we enter, what will happen? If we enter invalid index value, then we get index error. Which error? Index error. Yesterday, complex object dot real, complex object dot imag, real and imag are called what? Attributes. చదివిన టైం లేదు. Attributes they are called. Predefined attributes. If I enter, see, a is equal to 2 plus 3j, blank faces. A dot what? Real. A dot what? imag. A dot by mistake if I am writing imaginary. Is this attribute is there in the complex object? No. IMAC is there. Imaginary word is not there. Is it a valid attribute or invalid attribute? So what error will come? Attribute error. Name error కాదు ప్రతి ఒక్కసారి అదే ఉండదు కొన్ని లక్షల ఎర్రర్స్ ఉంటాయి some lakhs of errors are there for everything name error కాదు ఇక్కడ what is that error attribute error spell out why attribute error because it is a wrong name what is the original name what I am entering what is that error is called right if I use wrong variable name x print of x do you have x variable here no what is that variable name error what is this attribute error called what is this error called what is that attribute error what is the original attribute name I am writing what by mistake what is that error called what is this variable x is called unknown or not unknown means what that's all you have to remember like that will you remember come on now I am going to start the next today I am writing s is equal to what here python now print of what here s comma type of what s once again I am going to show you the process of obtaining single value from given main str object is called what indexing strobj of what index here strobj is an object of class str index represents either a positive index or negative index if we enter a valid index we will get what corresponding indexed value if we enter invalid index we get what see how easy invalid index which error invalid attribute which error invalid variable name which error like that you have to remember the error names then only you are a perfect student for anything is coming if you say error that is called error only so you have to tell the name of the error that is the point okay now I am going to say print of s of 0 come on indexing concept starting now s of 0 what is the value see the diagram already diagram is there now see the diagram and answer it what is an answer p good p now I am saying -6 answer please p what is this 0 positive index what is -6 s of -6 p s of -6 is called what p -6 is called a negative index s of -6 is called a value what is -6 negative index what is 0 s of 0 come on s of -6 see the diagram are you understanding next s of -1 come on s of I am writing 5 answer and are you following me so -1 starts from right to left left to right మీకు చెప్పడం చాలా కష్టం అసలు very difficult to teach you -1 starts from where right to left 0 starts from where left to right కొద్దిగా పెట్టండి మైండ్ పెట్టండి అందులో so -1 starts from where left to right to left actually I am going to give most powerful rules I am getting full doubt about it whether you will understand or not will you understand okay at least 10% understand it is more than enough 90% I am not worrying about it if you are okay it's okay no problem because I will teach you so deep of it what is your talent you prove by yourself -1 starts from where 0 starts from where -1 to -6 is called which indexing backward indexing or 0 to len of strobj is called what forward indexing or right what is the use of indexing indexing will give you one value at a time indexing will give you one value right now look at the diagram and say s of 3 come on edge and now I am saying -3 answer please same good see the diagram and answer it -2 next I am writing something like 4 answer please are you sure right? Next I'm going to say something like, minus 5. As S of 2 I am writing here. Come on. Good. So these are all giving one value at a time or not? As be careful. Be careful. I am writing here. You can also write the same thing, my dear students. Like this also you can write it. S of 2, if I write it, single letter within the single quotes will come. Because I already told you yesterday only, when you write print, official value will print. S of 2, if I write, that a letter will be enclosing within single quote. Will you understand? Okay. Minus 2 I am writing. What is the answer? Quickly. Oh, next. I am going to write it next. Be careful. I am writing 8. 8. Print of what? S of 8. Index error. Because the concept I already covered. Vivek, who is that? So student name, Pranav Kumar. Error if you say, that is called big error. Whoever says error, they are called waste. I already said here. If we enter invalid index, then we get what? Index error. Still, if it's error, we can't correct it. S of 8. What is that? Index error. Student ikkada. Everything more practical, you learn it. Don't learn just a pollution concept. Starting and string index is out of range. Do you have 8th index there? No. I am writing next. Minus 12 I am writing. Come on, quickly. Index. Very nice. Why index error? Because there was no minus 12 index. That's why it is known as what? Index error. See that. Index error. Are you understanding? Right. This is about which concept? This is called which concept? Indexing. I am going to write the example. I am going to write the examples. So I am going to write it. See students, how simple it is. I'll keep the data here. I'll keep the data here. S of 0 is called P. S of minus 6 is called something like this. And S of minus 1 is called like this. I'm adjusting it. During my adjustment, you go for it. If you ask me, sir, repeat once again, it's difficult to repeat. That's why beginning only I will explain slow. Try to get it immediately. Again, repeating is not good. And I don't repeat also. Beginning only, listen carefully. Once you skip off or getting out, it's a problem. So, see that. S of minus 2 is called O like this. S of 8 is called what? Index error. Because there is no 8. Right. S of minus 12 is called what again? Index error. Because that also not existing. Which operation it is? Which operation? Indexing. Let me go to the one more point. See students. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this I am having. Right? Print of what? S comma type of what? S. Type of S. This is my given data. Okay? Right. S of what? S of 2. Answer please. Quickly. 3. Good. S of what? Minus 1. Answer is what? 6. S of what you know? Something like what you know? 0. Answer is what? 0. Come on. 1. Okay. Can I ask one complicated question? Very good. S of ln of S minus 1. S of ln of S minus 1. అంటే చూద్దామని ఎంతవరకు టాలెంట్ ఉందో ఇందులో. Answer is all are don't have fundamentals. Stop it. So answer is called what? ln of S. ln of S will give you what? Complete. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 to 8 means what? 9. 9 minus 1 is coming. Ah 8 got the answer. Innocent. All of them are innocent. S of what? 8 will give you the value called 6. That is an answer. ఇప్పుడే కదా చెప్పింది, ఇంతకు ముందే చెప్పాను అది. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్? 6. 8, 9, 22, 34 ఇది కాదు. 21 years వచ్చినాయి. So if you don't understand, it's a problem. What is the LEN of S? Total data will come. -1 means what? Last value I want to locate. What is the last value? 6. -1 means what? Total number of things. Here, what is the LEN of S? Python. 6. 6 minus 1 is what? 5. 5 is called what? Now I am asking a question. Now I am asking a question. Now I am saying that a minus. Answer is what? Blind rules. What is the LEN of this? First of all, 9. What is this now? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. What is the answer? Right. Ilanti questions vasthayi. This type of questions will come. Easy. Now I'm going to copy this. Now I'm going to get it. Here I'm writing it. Now, coming to the point of it. It will be like this. And this is the data. Careful. This is called like this. 0 value. And this is the data. Shall I give one more example or not necessary? Necessary or not necessary? Necessary. Endukante mana mindset so different. No problem. S of what? Type of S. What is that? Java. How do you write it? When that question is coming, how do you write it? Java. What is this now? What is this data? What is this now? 0, 1, 2, 3. -1, -2, -3, -4. Cheppandi. S of 0. Answer is what? S of 3 is what? A. S of 1. S of -4. S of -3. S of -1. Right, A. Right. Next I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about next S of 6. Index error. S of -6. Index. Understood? What is this? 0, 3, 1, -4, 4 and all those things. Valid indexes. 6 and -6 are what? Invalid index. What is the length of this now? Length of Java, you see? LEN of S is what? 4. Ante kada? S of 0. Direct question adigesan. S of S -1. You have to say what? SAR answer LEN of S. What is the length of my string? 4. 4 minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? Closing bracket. Yes, ma'am. Myself is entered wrong. I say once again, I will repeat. LEN of S is called 4 or not? Now I say here bracket is mismatching. I'll write it. Now answer is what? A. Now I am writing one more question I will ask. LEN of S will give you what? LEN of S will give you what? And I am writing minus before. How much? -1, -2, -3, -4. Answer is what? J. Are you okay? Right. Can I ask one question? Now, will you answer it? Are you talented? LEN of S. Answer is what? 0 now. LEN of S is how much? 4. 4 minus 4. S of 0. Like that. Ilanti questions, this type of questions will come. Will you answer it? Right. Now I am asking. Now I am asking. This one I am writing. -2. Answer please. Quickly. V. SC LEN of 2. Answer is what? Huh? What is that? JAVA. Answer. Right. Can I ask one complicated question? S of LEN of S. S of LEN of S. Compulsory will answer wrong. No doubt in that. Come on, answer please. Come on. Very nice. Index error. Why index error, sir? S of LEN of S is what? 4. What is my index? 0, 1, 2, 3. Fourth index is not there now. 4 is called what? as index error. See that. Getting? Confident now? Yes. Will you answer that questions? Yes. So now this is my given data getting like this, and this is the one I'm getting. And see this now. This is only for MCQs level. When you go to system test, after qualifying written test, companies will ask one question on this. There are more questions will come on string data, students, including programs also you will get from my classroom notes only. That many coding examples I'm going to explain. What is the question is coming, you know? What is the question is coming, you know? S is equal to Mississippi river is there or not? It is a written test question. How many times M repeated? How many times S repeated? So write a code for finding more than one occurrence character. I repeated how many times? Come on. P repeated how many times? I want to print. There are so many questions I can prepare. Find the number of occurrences of every letter. You need to print M coming 1 time, S coming 4 times, I coming 4 times, P coming 2 times. This is totally how many times is coming? 11 times is a length, right or not? Without using length function, please find the length of the string. Without using length function, please find the length of the string. It's a gunshot question in hacker ranking examples. These are all. Nobody can explain this coding except my classroom notes. You see that? And this type of questions, every IBM, when you go to big companies, this will be coming. Hacker ranking, lead code, hackathon ranker kind of things, code chef. These are all called popular websites. From there only you will get the coding. All those things you will come across in the class. Don't worry about these things. Are you following me? Last and final. LEN of what? S. LEN of S minus 1. Strictly tell me the answer quickly. I. Which I? Last I. Somebody saying P. Take your bag and go to home now. I is an answer. LEN of S is called what? Total length. Minus 1 means last character. Are you following? Last and final I will see. This is minus 1 I am writing. Which one? Beginning one. Beginning one. Very simple. Now I am writing now LEN of S. Answer is what? Index error. Index error. These are all very simple questions. Right. Done. Coming to last and final. See, on the same thing, I shown these many examples. So, how to write that code? Very shortly, we are going to come into the topic, students. Right now, don't worry. I'll talk about that examples. Coding level, very soon, we are entering, writing the programs. Because these lines only making you to enter into the programming part. Can I go to the next level? What is this operation called? Indexing. What did you understand? Indexing will give you what value? Okay. Single value obtaining purpose. Which concept I'll apply? Good. Go to the diagram once. You also see the diagram? Online students, did you understand this indexing concept so far? All of them understood this type of example? Good. Now, I'll move to the further, students. Look at. Now here, my requirement today is, I want to get it PYT. I want to get PYT. I want to get it what? HON. HON. Indexing will give you one value at a time. One value at a time is called what? Indexed value. But I want to today what? A group of values I want. Group of letters I want from the given main string. This is called what? PYT is a substring of what? Python. HON is a substring of what? Python. And the next is called what? Thon. THO. THO is also substring of Python or not? Now I want to get it like this. I want YTH. I want YTH. I want what you know? YTHO. YTHO. This is called what? Substring I want to get it. A range of characters I want to get it. For that you need to go for which operation? Slicing. Slicing. PYT. Observe one more point. PYT going in which direction? Forward direction. HON going in which direction? THON going in which direction? YTHO going in which direction? Python going in which direction? Next, you see, next level explanation. I want PTO. PTO. That is called what? Letter by letter, letter after letter. That is called step 2 case I want to take. Step 2. Step 2 means what? Leaving one letter and getting another letter. Leaving another letter, getting another letter. That is also called one substring or not? What is the default increment? 1, 1, 1, 1. Right or not? Default step is what? 1. I want which step? PTO means what is the step 2? What is the step value? 0 to 2, 2 to 4. What is the step 2? Wow, మీరు మాట్లాడాలి. What is the value? 2. అంత స్పెషల్ బ్యాచ్లు కొంతమంది ఉన్నారు ఇందులో క్లాస్లో. 40% ఆర్ దేర్, 50% ఓన్లీ ఇంటరాక్టింగ్. మిమ్మల్ని కంప్లీట్ గా మిమ్మల్ని బాగానే చేయాలి, బయటకన్నా పంపించాలి. ఓన్లీ 2 things. What is that next? PTO, PYT. What is an incrementation? What is the step value? 1. I want to get it PTO. What is the step value? 2. I want to get it PH. PH. What is this PH? What is the step? 3. What is this is called? Step 2 values, step 3 values, step 4 values I want to get it. Are you getting me? Yes. Step 1 values means sequence. Step 2, step 3, step 4 is called what? Interval maintaining. Interval maintaining. Following? Up to okay? I'll show all these things programmatically. Next I want to get it. NOH. Which direction? Reversing I am talking. Reversed data. Reversed data. Next I am going to get OHT. Come on. TYP. Okay. Which the backward direction? What is the step? Come on. Minus. Correct? Right. Next I want to get it what? NTP minus OTP. See, these many examples I am going to tell you. Will you understand all of them? If you don't understand, these questions only will come in interviews. If you want to become a software engineer, you have to get it. Otherwise, out. Now, what is slicing? Slicing is a process of obtaining range of characters or substring from given strobj. Is called what? Slicing. After the class, you purchased a fine apple and he is doing slicing. He made 13 slices. Your friend is there. You are giving 1 slice or 3 slices? 3 slices. Each slice is called 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Other side is -1. Slice means what? Getting group of values. What is the mechanism I am writing? Definition I am writing. The process of obtaining, come on, range of values or what? Substring. Spell out. Substring from given main strobj. Main str object is called what? Slicing. Is called slicing. Is called slicing. Will you understand? Right. See, students, slicing operation contains to perform what operation? Slicing operations. We have 5 syntaxes. 5 syntaxes. What are the 5 syntaxes? Beginning only I will write it. Rough work I will take it. Because online students will excite by seeing this syntaxes. Because you will get lot of doubts. All the doubts I will explain. After listening this, you will never get a single doubt. Once you concentrate. Middle of it, don't try to generate your own doubts. Because everything I will explain. First syntax is strobj of begin colon end. Begin colon end. Second syntax is strobj of begin colon. Third syntax is strobj of colon end. Fourth syntax is what? strobj of no begin, no end. Fifth syntax is what? strobj of begin colon end colon step. End colon step with 5 rules. With 5 rules. Marvelous subject this is. You take any internet after 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock class will be over. 8 to night 12 o'clock you search, you will not find these rules. Even if you find the rules in one place, and you will not understand it. All of them will not find it one place. It is found in this place. That's why carefully follow. Shall we start up? We have 5 syntaxes. Now I am going to start with the syntax. They are one by one. I am going to start syntax number 1. Syntax number 1. What is this now? strobj of begin colon end. Begin colon end. What is this syntax will do for it? Will do for you. Now I am writing. Go to the place. Take it. S is equal to Python. Keep the subject. Open your diagram. Open the end. Keep your diagram open. All the online students also. All the online students. Take care. S of what here? Print of what? S, comma what? Type of S. See the subject. Python of what? str. Are you following me? Right. Now see here. S of. I am not writing print because you will get confused. Print also I can write, same output will come. I am writing 0 colon 4. Whenever I write what is 0? Beginning. What is 4? Whenever you say this 0 to 4, it is going to give you 0 to 4 minus 1 it will give you. 0 to 4 minus 1 means 3. Listen carefully. Don't say that answer. Listen. 0, 1, 2, 3 data will come. What is the subject of 0, 1, 2, 3 indexed values? PYTH. Right? Provided the begin value, whatever is there, must be less than what? 4. If it is done, then only 0 to 4 meaning will come. If it is true, then only this will come. If it is false, for example, no output will come. That is nothing but space is an output. That is nothing but single quote is an output. Let us see the answer now. What is the answer? PYTH. Even you can write also S of what? 0 colon 4. Also same answer will come. Getting my point? Suppose if I write it 4 colon 0, if I write it, what is the begin value? 4. 4 greater than 0. Tell you. 4 greater than 0. 4 greater than 0. Okay. What is the condition I said here? Begin must be less than what? End. Is what is the begin value I am using here? 4. 4 less than 0. False. False means answer will not come. Here what? 0 less than 4. Answer is true or not? Then only it will take 0 to what? 4 minus 1. Answer is correct. 4 less than 0 is what? False. No output will come. There is nothing but just a space will come. Print off what you can say. Same thing you write print off. You will not get any answer. That is called a space is coming. Are you following? Now I am writing the formula. What is the formula? This is syntax. I am writing here. This is syntax. I am going to give you generates range of values. This is syntax. Going to give you. This is syntax. Generates what? Range of values or what? Substring from where? Substring from what? Begin index to what? End minus 1 index. End minus 1 index provided begin less than what? End. Otherwise we never get any result or space or what? Like this. All the possibilities I will give you as a result. Shall we start off? This is the concept of this formula. This condition is very, very important. Are you getting? Begin less than end. Once again, I will go for the examples. Sample of examples, I will go for it. So see that examples now. Follow me carefully. I'm going to give you that. Now take the data once again. S is equal to what here? Python. Print of that. Now open the diagram and see 0:3 answer. First condition verification చూసుకోవాలి. First you need to go for condition verification. What is the begin value? End value? Is 0 less than 3? Yes. Yes means what you do? 0 to 3 minus 1. What is the data? 0, 1, 2. What is the output? That's all. Again and again I don't repeat. Next, I will go for what now? 2:6. Answer please. 2:6. Answer please. Come on. Huh? Space up. ఏం నాలెడ్జ్ అది అసలు? 2 less than 6. ఏమది? True. True. 2 less than 6 space up. True. What is the data? I said 2 to 6 minus 1. What is that? 2 to what? 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the data now? ఇది చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది అసలు. What is the answer? THON. కొద్దిగా ఉండండి కొద్దిగా. ఎప్పుడు వాట్సాప్, యూట్యూబ్ దాంట్లోనే లైఫ్. దట్ ఓన్లీ లైఫ్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ డేంజరస్. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ సీయింగ్ వెరీ డేంజరస్ సిచ్యువేషన్ నౌ. Now I am asking one more question. 0 to 0, 1 to 6, 1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 6. Answer. Quickly. YTHON. Okay. Now I am writing next. I am writing here some 2:1. Answer is. Answer. Space y space. 2 less than 1 is called 2 less than 1 is false now. False means what? No output. No output. Answer is what here? Space. Getting? Next. 0:6. 0:6. Answer. Okay. Are you okay up to here? This is called one level of explanation. Let me increase the complexity. Let me increase the complexity. I will ask, every question should be from our notes, means I have to explain lot of examples. Online students, don't excite by yourself. I am reach to you. Anybody is having small doubt, I will definitely reach to you. You never get micro level doubts also, because that much of deep explanation I will give you. So this is called what? Python. Okay, this is done. 0.3261621 are called positive indexes now. Okay, ready to answer wrong? Now open the diagram. -6:-2. -6:-2. Valida, invalida? I want. Valida, invalida? See students, repeating again and again same thing is not possible. I told already in the beginning. Valida, invalida? Valid. How it is valid? -6 less than -2 is called what? True. What is the answer? -6 to -2 -1. End -1 I said. -6 to -2 -1 is called what? -3. What are the values coming? -6, -5, -4, -3. This is the data will come. In which direction? Aim students above. -5, -5, -4, -3. Which direction? Forward direction. Indexes are negative only, but data will come in which direction? Forward direction. Indexes are negative, but data will come in which direction? Forward direction. Understand? See the answer now. What is the answer? Right. PYTH backward direction. Adi backward direction ante data etla vastadi? HTYP. It is called what? Backward. Reverse direction ante. But it won't come. Danger. What is this? Are you following me? Indexes are negative, but data will come in which direction? Are you okay? Right. So coming to the point of it, now I am going to write it. -3:-1. Answer please. ఇదేమో కాలేదా ఒకసారి ట్రూ ఒకసారి ఫాల్స్ రావడానికి. మీకు అసలు బేసిక్సే లేవు. -3 less than -1. Answer is true. What is the data? -3 to -1 -1. -3 to -2. -3 -2. What is the data available? HO. Space. అవన్నా అసలు ఒకసారి చెప్తే ఎలా ఉండాలి? అసలు ఎప్పుడు రాంగ్ షుడ్ నాట్ కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ మౌత్. Wrong should not come. Okay, right. Come on to the point back. Online students, are you comfortable? Are you comfortable here? Now, good. Shall I move? S off and don't feel. I'll say directly on your face. Boys means directly on your face. Waste means waste. Whatever you feel. Because if I don't tell, who will tell? You'll go to interview. They will ask this question. You'll say space. Okay, we'll call you. Space only the result. They won't call. Whoever is saying on our face, they are well-wisher. They are saying recommendations to us. Okay? Here no mogammatams. Directly I will tell on your face, wrong, wrong, wrong. Right is right. I don't tell to girls. Boys means directly I will tell. Right. So they are our well-wishers. Now I am going to say -6 colon -3. -3. Answer please. Quickly. P. Okay. PYT. Okay, good. Now I'm going to say, now I'm going to ask one question. -3 colon -6. Huh? Are you sure? How? -3 less than -6 is what? False. False means answer is what? Space. No output. Understand? Right. Now, last and final. My S of. Okay, or S of. Of course, I asked. I hope so. -6 to what? -6 to what? Something like -1. Answer is what? Ma? PY? THO. Are you following me? S. Good. Now, this is comes under what? This is comes under syntax slicing or slicing chana katha undi. Meeku teliyadu adi. This is only beginning. Only names are coming. Cinema trial names are coming. I have to enter into fighting scene. I have to enter into songs. So much of discussion is there. Are you okay? Right. Now I am going to introduce some small sub rule. I want to introduce. Sub rule I am going to enter. This is called one thing. Is it clear? Right. Even I am not going for, this is called which index is negative. This is called which index is, that means in real time, if you are going for an application development, either you will use positive indexes or you will use what? Negative indexes. Now, I am coming to what? Some sub rule I am saying. This is for what, only for MCQs level, they will ask you these rules. MCQs level, they will ask you. What is this now? I am saying the sub rule now. Are you talented to understand? Are you talented? Yes. So, actually, this I am going to tell. Look at that Python. Now I am going to say S comma type of S. This is my data. Now I am writing. Take the diagram. I'll write it here. PYTHON. As it is, same diagram. Don't write again. So this is my data, students. I am writing. S is here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. -2 and then -1. Now I am writing. Earlier I used what? Begin and end is what? Either positive or negative. Today I am writing 1 colon -2. I am writing 1 colon -2. See. ఒక్కసారి వినాలి. Listen. 1 colon -2. What is happening? Earlier it is going in either upward, there is a minus side, or positive side. Here -1 to what? -2. What is happening? This is called a sub rule. What is the sub rule? Says begin positive index, end negative index. Are you understanding? That time what? Begin positive index must be greater than what? End negative index. End negative index. That time it will give you what? Begin positive index 2, end negative index -1. That will give you students. You see guys, what is happening? From 1 to 2 minus 1 is what? -2. -2. What is the begin index? 1, 2. What is the end index? -2, -1. How much? 1, 2, -3. What is the one starting from? 1 to what? -3. This is the data is coming. This is called what? Curved path data will be coming. Curved path data will be coming. Understand? Earlier it gave what? Earlier path results only will come, right or not? Now it is giving you what result? Curved path result is going to come. Are you okay? Will you remember the diagram? One more question I will ask you. Later I will erase this diagram. S of what I am doing? 2 colon what? -1 I am writing. What is an answer? First of all, condition satisfied. Result chudakandi. Condition. See the condition. Is the result satisfied? What is an answer? 2 onwards. T H O. Answer is what? T H O is an answer. Will you understand? Now S of 1 colon -2. Answer is what? Y T H. Next is called what? -2 colon. Sorry. 2 colon -1. Answer is what? THO. Very important. S of -3 colon 1. Yes. Why? It is changed the condition. Yes. Begin index. Beginning is positive index. Ending is what here? It is getting reversed. Output is nothing. A very important. Very important. When you go to bigger companies, they will ask this type of questions. Go to back. Sub rule is what, students? strobj of begin. Then clear lesson. Begin what index? Positive index. Begin what index? Colon. End negative index. Negative index. Complete I am writing. That's all. There I will write it. This syntax, this is syntax, this is syntax, gives range of characters from where begin positive index to where to end negative index -1 provided what is that? Begin positive index greater than what index? End negative index. This is the subject of that. Begin positive index greater than what? End negative index. Is it clear? Good. Now I will give you the examples. Otherwise, I will write otherwise we get what? Space or no result. No result is nothing but what? Space or what? Just like this as a result. Did you understand? Yes. Examples. After going to home, you have to keep the system in front of you. Take the pen and paper, keep the diagrams and work on it. That's the way. Only seeing these examples and going to the exam and no exams, you have to carry on this type of things. So I will write it. Here, this is the one. Now I will write it. This is my data. So this is my values. Are you following me? Good. Now I'm going to write it. This is something like this. Are you following? This is called what? Subrule, students. Subrule is clear? Shall I move forward? Now they will ask you, can I use negative indexing? Yes. Can I use positive indexing? Can I use mixing also? Yes. Now let me test it. Whether you got it or not. Python. See the diagram quickly. S of 0:4. Answer please. Answer. Py. Okay. Now I am going to take it. Minus 6, 2. Minus 2. Answer, please. Answer. Same, huh? Okay, good. Now I am going to write it. Let me go for what? I will go for what? 0 colon. I will write it minus 2. Answer, please. Answer. Good. So I prepared with the same content. Are you following me? Now I am writing. Minus 2 colon what? Minus 2 colon minus 3. Come on. చూడండి ఒకసారి అక్కడ ఎందుకని ఇక్కడ వరకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది సార్ ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు స్పేస్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాడని సార్ minus 2 greater than minus 3. Answer is what? Minus 2 less than minus 3. True or false? ఏమి రాదు అసలు 2 less than 3. 2 less than 3. భయం ఎక్కువ మళ్ళా. True. Minus 2 less than minus 3. Say. False means what answer? That's all. Don't tell, sir, already we said. So I want to see you that are you stable or just applying your intelligence, smartness? Are you following? Right. And no student in Ameripet good in true and false. Are you good? Boys, are you good? Right. Stand up. Are you good? True and false. Okay. 6th greater than or equal to 4. False చెప్తున్నారు వీళ్ళు ముందే అవుట్ వీళ్ళందా 6 greater than or equal to 4 is true, is correct. How? One girl is asking 6 greater than or equal to 4. True. 6 4 కంటే పెద్దది. అర్థమైంది ఇప్పుడు. One girl is saying like that. Like how he is asking? నాకు చాలా భయం అవుతుంది అసలు మీ బ్యాచ్ అంటే. How? I got really so much disappointed today. Now I will ask the questions. You only. 4 greater than or equal to 4. Faster. Now silence was, I am asking, he said minus 6 greater than or equal to 2. Again question I am not repeat really then. Minus 6 greater than or equal to minus 2. False. Don't tell he is answering. You are helping and he is saying, or otherwise you are not helping. He is saying minus 10 not equal to minus 10. False. Minus 10 not equal to minus 10. Minus 10 is equal to 10 is true. Not equal to 10 is false. You are saying true. So you are out from the game. Sit down. Next, who is that? Girls. No, sir. This type of questions means problem, sir. ఎప్పుడు face చేయలేదు. You will not face it. Boys, good. Anyhow, you are good. You played the game for 3. Anybody else? Would you like to face? No, sir. Would you like to? Are you? Okay. Don't worry. Not only you bring any person, I will ask questions. Even complicated questions I did not ask you. Right? Will you answer it? Okay, don't worry. Now I will ask definitely these questions. Right. They are asking. Ganesh is asking, sir, ask online students also. They are very sincere students. Online students are very sincere. That's why they are in the online. Okay. Now let us start with the second syntax. Really, in my class, online students will be available. So many students. So many people are there. Now, coming to the second syntax. Is the first syntax is clear? Now I am going to say second syntax. First syntax is over. Now I am going to the second syntax. Actually, by this time I have to enter into syntax number 2. I am going to talk. Syntax number 2. Syntax number 2. What is my syntax number 2, students? I say strobj of begin colon, end I am not writing. End I am not writing. Careful students. I will write certain points here. In this syntax, careful again. In this syntax, we are specifying which index? Begin index. We are specifying what? And we did not specify what? End index. End index. We specified what index? Begin index. We did not specify what? End index. Okay. I mentioned. If we don't specify which index? End index. Then PVM takes end index as what? End index as ln of strobj. What is the ln of strobj? N is called what? Number of characters. End index will be taken as what? ln of strobj. If Python, what is the ln of strobj? 6. But it will apply internally, -1 will apply. Do you understand? 6 minus 1 is, that means when you specify in other box, I will write it. Or if we don't specify the what is that? End index, then PVM takes what here? Begin index character to what? Last character it will take. Which character? Last character. ln of strobj is called 6. 6 minus 1 is called what? Last character only. Are you getting? Last character. Very, very important rule, students. Online students, did you understand these rules, ma? Did you understand these rules? Now I am going for examples. Is the rule is clear? Is the formula clear? Say all of you. Yes. Now I am going to introduce examples. Ready? Fine. Come to the S is equal to what? Python. S is equal to Python. I say print the value of S ma. Now start. S of 2 colon. What is there? Begin is there. What is not there? End is not there. When I don't specify the end index, what it will take? Simple last character work. From second index character to last character. What is the second index character? What is an answer? THON. That's all. THON. I will write next here. 0 I am writing. What is an answer now? Come on. Very good. Now I am writing 3 here. Answer please. Come on. Good. I will write 4 here. Answer please. Okay. Now I am writing here. 2. Answer please. Huh? Now what is the answer please now? Why? Very good. Now you understand. Now this is called which beginning? Positive beginning. I'll come to what beginning? Very good. Slowly. See, before the class you are not intelligent. After that, are you becoming intelligent or not? That intelligence to carry, you have to work hard after going to home. You have to work like me, how I am showing in the class. Like that, you have to take a pen and paper. In the now, I'll go to next. I'll go to the next. See, students, no discussion. Girls, no discussion. Now I am going to talk. S of minus 6. S of minus 3. Answer, please. Come on. Answer is HYN, right? Why are you seeing suspense? Are you okay? Next called what? 2. Answer, please. Come on. Okay. Next time writing here called what you know. Next time writing here called minus 6. Answer, please. Huh? Okay, good. I am writing 5. Answer, please. Huh? Okay, I'm writing something like, I'm writing something like 4. Huh? Good. Easy? Okay. Easy. Now I am writing. Can I ask one complicated question? Yes. No. Easy. So, online students, are you comfortable, ma? Now, coming to the point of it, ready to answer. Okay, ready to answer. They are like an Indian army. Ready to answer. Now, one student is continuously asking, I look at it. What is an answer? Answer. What is there in, huh? What is an answer? -1 answer. OHDYP. ఎవరు చెప్పారు అది? What is specified? మరి సెమీకోలన్ నుంచి ఇట్లానా? అందుకనే మన ఓన్ పైథాన్ అది, అమీర్పేట్ పైథాన్ అది. What is an answer? And that's all. That's all. Don't apply your own Python. I am getting very much tense about you. When I say something, you are saying something by yourself. So this is called the data. Okay, student who is asking the data, -1 is asking 3 times the doubt, and I got that answer. Are you following me? Right. Ready to answer wrong? Ready to answer wrong? No, sir. Correct. Ready. Now I am asking the question. Ready? Yes. S of -6 -12 colon. Huh? Raise the hand, space. Raise the hands. Options I will give you. Option A, index error. 1 minute. Don't answer. Option A, index error. Option B is called a space. Option C is called a syntax error. Option D is called attribute error. Come on. Option A is index. Raise the hands. Good. Raise the space you said, but you changed your party. Raise your hands. Right, wrong answer. Next. Space. Very good. Who's that? Raise the hands. Wrong answer. Right. Now the answer is, of course, you don't know that. Now I'm saying first time. See, mom, I'll write the diagram. See, Python, right or not? Python. What is this now? -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Actually, my index is what? Actually, I'm not saying only S of -12. Only if I write it, it is called what error? Index error. In slicing, no index errors will come. It starts with where, ma'am? -12 colon. -12 colon. Do you have -12 here, -3, like -11 like that is there? But it will come on, going on, coming to this yes, sir. Data starts from where? It will come to -12 only. But -12 is not there. -11 is not there. -10 is not there. -8, 9 is not there. -8 is not there. -7 is not there. -6 onwards data start. From there it will take to what? End is not there. To what? Last character. Answer is what now? Python. Yes. This type of questions will come. You ask any student in the entire Amirpet, you eat away the brain of the people outside. You tell them what is real Python, not 15 days Python. Let me come to the still rule 3, rule 4, etc. Mind blowing will come. Are you following me? Right. Can I ask one question? Will you answer it? Right. Ready. Now I am going to write -23. Answer. Huh? Sure. Okay. Now ready. Now I am going to write 23. Come on. Come on. Are you sure? Come on. Yes. Answer is space. Why space? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 23 onwards it will take. Actually, 5 only there. 6, 7, not 8, not there. No. 23 onwards, nothing is there. What is an answer? Yes. So answer is what, students? Space. Did you understand? Yes. Can I ask one more danger question? Ready to answer? Okay. S of మాట్లాడొద్దని చెప్పాను ఒకసారి. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ మీరు మాట్లాడితే కానీ బయట పడేస్తారు తీసుకుపోయి. డౌట్ లేదు ఇంకా అందులో. రాని అసలు క్లాస్కి నేను చెప్తున్నా కదా, కామెంటరీ ఎందుకు మళ్ళా క్లాస్లో? మీరు రాకండి అసలు రేపు నుంచి. ఎస్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ నెక్స్ట్? 23. Don't disturb the class. 2:4. What is the answer? What is the answer? TH. Okay. Now 12:44. Answer. Why space? What is the answer? 12:24. Do you have 12 index? Will you get index error? You'll get index error. No. What is the answer? What is the index? 0 to 5. But we're starting from where? 12. Do you have 12 index? No. Next up. S of C going to minus 66 colon minus 1. Answer. Answer. PY. Beautiful. Beautiful. Minus 66 it will start. Minus 66, minus 65, minus 64, so on, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Data starts from where? Minus 6 to 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. What is the answer? Pytho. Are you following? Right. Can I ask one more question? Ready to answer? Okay. Now 2:122. Come on. Starts from where? 2. What? 122 minus 1. 121. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. In data is there or not? Get it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 121. No data. It will not come. What is the answer? That's all. Are you getting? Right. Now I will ask you. 2:2 minus 122. Positive beginning, negative ending. Answer. Come on. Answer, please. Right. What is this now? Generally, they will expect 2 to what? 2 to what? This is a dangerous question. Actually, if I don't say this now, you will feel that is curved path will be coming. Right or not? When you are applying this, you have to apply the value properly. What I am applying now? 2 to what? Minus 1. Output will be coming or not? But if I write this kind of thing, what is the problem there? What is the problem there? You see now. Carefully understand. This is an intelligent part. Intentionally, I put this question. PYTHON. PYTHON. Now I am going to get it. This is my data. This is my data. What is this now? S minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. What is my value? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are you starting, guys? 2, 2, 2 here, right or not? What is my value now? 120 minus 122. That means 2 to what? Minus 122 minus 1. 2 to where? Minus 123. Right or not? 2 to. What is this? It is trying to go this side only. But will you get it minus 123 this side? Actually, minus 123 is there left side or not? It will not move like this. It will not come like this. It is moving in which direction? Like this only. It is not coming this one. That's why what? No output. This is going to move like this only. Did you understand? See. I need not to tell you this many syntaxes. I can say syntax one. That is only the syntax I can say. Why I am saying? Because any question comes in interview, you have to get it. Once you prepare for IIT, at least MSET rank will come. Only preparing IPE, out of 5 subjects, 2 subjects fail. Understand? That's why prepare for data scientist, AI researcher. That is our high paid jobs is our target. At least you will become data journalist with 7 lakhs package per annum, minimum salary for fresher now. Are you getting this point? Yes. See that. 2 to minus 123. Minus direction is this side, no? 2 to this one is this side only. This side means what? No output. But actually what? When you say this existing minus 1 values, it will come like this. You see this one. 2 to what? Minus 1. Do you have minus 1 to minus 1 is coming or not? THO is an answer is coming. Did you understand? Like this, you need to write the diagrams in our notes and we need to preserve it. Got it, students? Is your skill is increasing or existing skill is going? Is your battery recharging or decreasing? Recharging, but you have to recharge after going to home also. Okay, students, right. So increasing superbly. Okay, good. But so Gauss is asking, next is asking, yes of what? 2 colon what? Minus 22. Answer. Why minus 22? After 6, going this side. Negative curved path, not there. Positive curved path, there. Understand, students? Yes. So, yes. So who is this? Student name? Om Chaugal. Okay. Increasing. Awesome, sir. We are getting confidence on ourselves. Good. Shall we move forward? Now, these points also, I will keep it there. This point. These are all called extra points. Now I am going to say special points. I am going to write it. So now see, when I am covering these many points, that's why strongly says that everything from our notes. Will any question will go beyond our notes? No. Every question you write, you will feel much easy to understand. So this is our data. So this is the points. Okay, time is also running off. Okay, now tomorrow class is there or not there? When holiday is coming, what you will do? Really? You will do that? Are you that much sincere? Sincere, really? Fine. See this data now. It is called space. This is also data is there. Now this is called like this. Now, this is comes under what? Special points. Under which syntax? Syntax number 2. For the syntax number 2, begin colon, there is no ending. First syntax is what? Begin colon, end. Begin colon what? End. What is this syntax is? Positive begin index, end negative index. Are you getting or not? Next, syntax number 3. Syntax number 3. That I will explain in the next class. Today I don't want to make it very much difficult. Syntax number 3. Syntax number 3. Okay. Syntax number 3 will be on Thursday. Thursday I will explain. Thursday I will explain. Okay. Shall I stop class, students? Right. Girls, I am requesting to all of you, don't make noise. Girls' noise making is very much horrible. Boys will not do that noise. Girls will make that noise running commentary that will be giving very much horrible. If you make horrible noise in the class, please go to other batch. If you want to listen carefully, be here. If I say go out of the class means that is the last day. If I get disturbance, if I am unable to tolerate, I'll say go out of the class. That is an end. Okay. Please don't come to that danger zone. It's my request. Still, if you do, definitely I'll send you out of the class. Right. Thank you, students. And tomorrow, no class. Thursday we will go for the class. Thank you. All the best.